Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll let to show you the way how you can change the background of the picture only with the PicsArt application. First, you just need to open the PicsArt application. Wait until it's perfectly open, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this bottom side and tap into this plus button, and then you just need to pick the picture that you want to edit. And the next, just take a look on this bottom feature, swipe into the left side, and then you just need to tap cut out, and then you just need to pick the person and go click save. Now this picture is already have no background on it. If you want to change the background color, tap on this side and tap into this background, and then you just need to find the color, or you can also add the the image, and then you just need to tap it if you want to add the image to open your photo library. Or if you want to, you can also have the other background by tap into this background and find the background that you want to add, and then you already got them. You just need to save this picture into your photo library by tap into this icon, and you are done. So here you can also resizing the object if you want by tap on the layers and tap into this object, and you can also doing a crop, and then you can also spatial cropping into the specific area and click apply, and this is what you got. It's so simple and easy. Hopefully you understand. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.